Yo, what is good, my reptilians? Today I'm back with another haul, and it's gonna be a 15 kg Hagobuy haul. I'm gonna show you what I got and where I got it, and yeah. But before I get to the unboxing, this is what the package looked like on the outside when it arrived. It is around 55 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters, so whatever that means to you. So here, guys, I've just received the haul. Here it is. Basically, here I got the parcel corner protection on the corners, every single corner. I got moisture protection and stretch film. So this is the stretch film and the moisture bags under it. So no water is getting in this. No water. I swear no water is getting in. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this haul while I'm unboxing for you. Here is the pictures that they sent me in the warehouse. So this one, and this one. The cost of shipping was $138.72. The mailing method was US Express-Z. I got 5 items in the haul, and it took around 18 days in the shipping. That was because it was very slow. But yeah, so here is it, the layout of the box. You can already see some boxes in there, even though I asked them to fold them, but I guess they didn't read it. All right, so here's everything outside of the packaging. I can just open the shoes freely now. So let me just set them all up without even opening them at all. Y'all peep this. Peep the shoe stack. Peep the shoe stack. All right, let's get to the unboxing. So let me just take off the first one. This isn't a pair of shoes. This is a Magic John screen protector. I'm not gonna open it right now, but there's Magic John right there. Yup, it comes with a baby picture of him. You cannot read anything on this box, but this is gonna come in handy. There's like a satanic ritual on the front with like Hebrew on it. Yeah, I'm just gonna ignore that. So yeah, on to the first pair of shoes. So you can't tell by the box already. You're about to tell right now when I open it. Boom, pink. Oh, I already ripped it. Okay, here are the Jordan 1 Low Reverse Mocha Travis Scott. Yeah, these are fire, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just set one down. Here they are. Take a look at them. Here's the reverse swoosh. Boom. I'm so glad I kept them in the boxes actually, because these are perfect condition. Literally look brand new. 1-to-1. Actually, like, this is insane. Yeah, here you can see the extra laces. Boom, bada bing. Oh my, look at the stitching on it. This is amazing. Oh my, I am so satisfied with this quality. Look at that. This is amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. Wow, the cactus. Boom. This is so amazing because look at the tumbled leather. Oh yeah, that's a good shot. Tumbled leather and like the Mocha laces with the extra laces. Let's see the toe box. Right back up, dude. This is, oh my god. Hagobuy is so like, this is so like revolutionary and innovative and intuitive. So this is like actually revolutionary. So yeah, comes with these. Keep your shoe in shape. The inside, Travis Scott in the reverse form. Boom. I love these so much. Here's the tag if anyone wants to legit check these. These are passing the, I'm not gonna lie, these are amazing quality. Like, I don't know if it get any worse, any better than this. Dang. So yeah, that was a good pair. That's 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 for good pairs. And sorry, a little mishap in the box. No one cares about the box. So yeah. So these are the Jordan 4 black cats. Yup. These are the Jordan 4 black cats. Yup. Sheesh. The shape on this is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Here, let's see this. Yo, this is amazing. Dude. Look at the back. It's all shiny and reflective. Yup. Nice little suede. Got the, here, even got the little hole punch in there. Accident. Take that out. This shows how like good they are. Like they're actually come right from the factories and stuff. Boom. Yeah, so these are the Jordan 4 black cats. On the tongue. Oh, the tongue feels great on these. I'm not even gonna lie. Legit check if you want. Flown with the shoe. Great material. Feels great. Form is amazing. Test. Right back up. It also has a little thing in there, but you can already tell it goes right back up. Yo, I didn't even look at this, but it comes with a Nike authentication sheet or whatever, like a sheet that's supposed to come with it. Wow. So by the way, if you guys want to purchase any of these shoes, Hagobuy did not sponsor me for this, but I love them so much, so I just bought stuff on there anyways for my own personal use. If you want to get anything, there's a spreadsheet in my bio or in my comment description. There's not a lot on there right now, but I'm gonna add some more daily. You can click the link in my the first link in my description. It'll give you a bunch of coupons. I used like 3 on this order and I got like $75 off. So it's a very good money saver. Like, yeah. And then the shipping on Hagobuy is weirdly what gets me there, because it's like 20% cheaper than Hagobuy. So like $100 is like $60. Like it's like doesn't even like feel real, I feel like. So yeah, here's a Jordan 1 reverse fragments. There's a first mishap. Just looks like some pen stains on here, but that is easily removed. This is not from Hagobuy, or like the pen stains isn't from Hagobuy, it's from the factory itself. I could have easily legit checked that on the pictures, but I didn't really look at the pictures. But yeah, that's easily removable. I know how to get rid of that. It's whatever. So yep, here they are. Of course, comes with the extra laces. Pink wrapping paper. And by the way, I don't even need to go on the boxes like in detail, because all the boxes are 1-to-1. Every tag on it, everything, the shape, perfect. Not folded at all. But yeah, the shape on these are amazing. Everything is amazing. Look at the tumbled leather. But there's one mishap, is the pen stain on this side of the shoe, which is once again easily removable, just the ink stain. It happens to the best of us. That's why you look at your QC pictures. Hagobuy gives you like premium quality ones. But yeah, always look at your QC pictures, unlike me. I'm gonna do that in the future. So on to the last shoe item. You can see once again it comes with the Nike authentication thing. Let's just put that in there. Boom. Oh yeah. Alright, you can tell these are gonna be amazing. So these are the Jordan 1 Dark Mocha High Dark Mocha. Wow, these feel amazing. Look at this. Pops right back up. Boom. The best part about it, look at that suede. Yo, look at that suede. It's like so soft. If your suede does not do this, it's not suede. I'm sorry, it's not suede. Like, it's not suede. But yeah, oh, look at the back shape. It's so fire. But yeah, these are the Jordan 1 High Dark Mochas. Comes with extra laces, like a cream color laces. Also in addition, these black laces. Yep. Overall, I am very satisfied with my Hagobuy experience. I think I've used, like, don't even get me wrong, I used Pinobuy for like a whole year straight. After using Hagobuy one time, I fell in love, I'm not gonna lie. So, and now I have like 3 more hauls on the way. So yeah, if you ever need a plug on the rest, man, get the Hagobuy, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, join the Discord down below. Click the link to get the Hagobuy. Also, if you don't want to click the link, you can type in code Eddie, like the coupon exchange area. It'll give you like all the coupons, or usually half the coupons, I think. But yeah, just click the link, subscribe. Here's the aftermath. A lot of shoes on the bed. Yeah. Peace.